हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रेस्टीज मीडिया। आज के टॉक विद सेलेब के शो में हमारे साथ हैं अ सक्सेसफुल आर्टिस्ट हु वर्कड एज अ सीमलेसली हार्ड वर्किंग एंकर, एक्टर एंड एमसी, मिस्टर अर्पित शर्मा। वेलकम सर।
Hello.
How are you feeling coming here in Indore and here at Prestige?
I hope I'm audible enough. Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, please.
Oh, okay. Coming to Indore is the first time I've come to Indore. I've heard a lot of things about the city. The first thing people told me was about the food, and they said idhar jana. And then of course they mentioned that it's a very clean city. So while I was being driven to the hotel, I was really amazed at honestly how clean the city is, because I come from Mumbai where unfortunately it's not very clean sometimes, and there are a lot of places where you see a lot of filth and the rivers are dirty, and I was just so amazed to see it. And the roads are glorious, again no traffic. So when you come from a city like Mumbai, it's just so different. So it was a pleasant experience. I'm hoping to go after this and get something to eat, the dahi vada, legendary hot dogs or something, hopefully get all of that. And to the Prestige Institute, yeah, it was fun. A bit nostalgic because the design of this institute is a little like my engineering college. We had 4 floors. I think this has 2 or 3, I'm not sure. But that same hollow center and floors going up. So it was a bit nostalgic, and it was great fun because the audience was good. And yeah, I just enjoyed myself narrating my story in that auditorium.
Alright, so what will you take back from your talk right there at Talk to Inspire? What will you take back, like after all the talks and yours?
Well, the first thing I will take back is I hopefully have to get to a level where the next time I don't have to tell people what I've done. You know, all of them, I know some of them knew what I had done and achieved, but get to a level where I really need no introduction. And this is a bit of a selfish project for myself. So that would be the first thing I would take away from that talk. The second is all those people who've been a part of my life. Every time I tell my story like this, and I've told it often, you know, amongst friends, meeting someone new, but just talking to the entire auditorium, the way they were listening to me, and it just reminded me to thank all those people in my life, because like I said on stage as well, I'm not a self-made man. Everyone that is a part of my life at some point of life has contributed for me to get where I am. So it's very necessary to thank those people, and a lot of times we take them for granted ki haan ye to rahenge. So that's another thing I need to take away. And the third is, like I said, if that talk inspired even one person and I get to know about it, I would be very thrilled.
Alright, okay. And sir, if you get a chance to be a sport player who you love for a day, who would it be and why?
Wow, that's a very tough question. Can I pick 2 or just one?
One, but you can go for 2.
I can go for 2?
Yeah, you can.
So obviously Sachin Tendulkar, like beyond a shadow of a doubt, if you're part of India, I mean, you want to feel that, and he's the most loved, the most revered cricketer. I remember going for random events where someone would just take his name and the whole crowd would start chanting his name, even though he's not there, the event is not even related to him. So yeah, I would love to be Sachin Tendulkar for a day. On a global level, I would, it's a tough choice between Ronaldo and Messi. I might go for Cristiano Ronaldo, apart from the footballing skills, just so that when I take my shirt off at home, I'd be like, wow, that's a good body.
That's a great one. So sir, आपने जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा देखी है? तो उसमें एक गेम था What Comes First. तो वो 3 दोस्त आपस में खेलते हैं. So I'll give you a word. जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है सबसे पहले, you just answer me that. Okay.
ये सेंसर होने का ऑप्शन है बाद में?
नहीं. Sport.
Football.
Life.
Mom and dad.
Color.
Blue.
Love.
Family.
Pet peeve.
People who are late.
Alright, and just the last one. What you love eating the most?
I said this on stage, my favorite food is dal chawal, but I'll go away from that and say street food is something that I love, and one of my favorite street foods is bhel puri.
Alright, okay. So how did you start with anchoring? We just heard your story, but what's that one thing which got your, I can say, spark, which just pushed you to, yeah, I can do this, I'm into sports anchoring?
So honestly, like I said, anchoring happened because of a wrong audition, but sports anchoring happened later when I was called for auditions. And the thing is, like I said, I never thought of myself as a sports anchor, even as an anchor. But when I got a chance to audition for Star Sports was the first channel that I auditioned for. It's just a fire that started, and I just knew that sports is something that I want to be a part of. And the thing is, I've spoken with friends so often about sports, and to be able to speak to, say, 1 million people as a sports anchor, I think that was one of the biggest things.
Alright, okay. So I personally remember you from the Imperial Blues Men Will Be Men ad. So
I actually forgot to mention that. Yeah.
Yes, you totally did.
Yeah.
So do you relate to that concept in any way? This is maybe a little inappropriate,
Absolutely
but I just
inappropriate.
really wanted to ask you.
So it's a good thing I'm not married, because the second commercial that I did is very directed towards a husband and
Right.
wife relationship. I've never done that in the relationships that I've had. I don't think I will ever do that. But also, I would like to say, I should have said this on stage actually. I'm one of the few people who's done 2 Imperial Blue ads. Not many people know this, and not many people have done that. The aeroplane one, I completely identify with it. Even today, when I was taking the flight from Bombay to Indore, that ad was going on in my head. And yeah, it wasn't a success story again.
Alright, okay. And so, lastly, I saw one of your show reels, and there I really loved that part. You said, "Mera naam Arpit Sharma hai, I am the host for today." So, can you do that impression for us?
Oh wow.
With by looking at the camera.
Looking at the camera, holding the mic as
Yes,
well.
sir. With the same intensity.
So I've done that behind the scenes for my show reel. You want me to do this on screen?
Please.
Okay, I'm gonna. Mera naam Arpit Sharma hai, and I'm going to be your host. See, I messed up. I'm going to go again. Mera naam Arpit Sharma hai, and I'm going to be your host for the day.
Woo! Thank you so
Not
much.
bad,
sir.
nah? But I messed it up the first time. Luckily, I
Loved
don't
it,
mess it up
loved
on
it.
stage.
Totally loved it. So, it was a great conversation with you.
It was. Thank you.
It's me, Krisha Sharma, signing off with cameraman Kitesh Sharma.